This is a cold start stock. What are we doing to your truck?
We're going to be taking this resonator off, and we're going to be putting a MAGNAFLOW on it.
Where did we get it?
We got it at our uncle's from the scrapyard. For free.
We're going to be replacing that with this, and it doesn't fit perfect, so we're going to need to use some of this pipe and make it work. So we're going to start off by taking these clamps off, and if we need to, which we will on this side, we're just going to cut them off. Whoa. Going to cut it here. Don't wiggle it too much on that end. That's like really garbage looking over there.
Straight pipe truck. Should I start it?
Oh yeah. That's actually pretty good. That's not even that bad. So this is kind of what we're working with. We have this that comes out to here, and then this is going to be pushed up a bunch, and it's a lot higher than that because on our old exhaust, one side was down here and one side was up here, and on the new one, they're both at the same side. So if we cut this down here, if we cut it right about here, get rid of this curve, I can get pipe from here and kind of use that to make a longer curve that comes down and comes straight with that. So that's what we're going to try to do right now. One of these we'll use for that back up there. My head, ow. First tack. Okay, you ready? We're almost done. We got that tacked up with a bend. Yeah, it's not the best looking, but it's the only pipe we had. And we got the marks. We're gonna cut that. And then the new one will slip right on. Then I think all we need to do is put the hangers on and we're good. So I'm gonna cut these two. Should be good. Okay, it's a moment of truth to see how it fits. Woo! Hey, that is perfect. Couldn't be better. Yeah. We're gonna be putting this sucker on in about 25 seconds. Time to tack it. Good. Cold start. Let's see how it sounds.
No video of that side.
It might be quiet, might be loud. Okay, it's louder. Rev it. Ooh, I like it. That's our homemade hanger. Works actually pretty good.